Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating a bold eye makeup look using the brand Kiss New York Pro. So if you guys haven't ever heard of this brand, this is what the logo looks like. I'm sure you've seen it before. I've seen it definitely with like eyelashes and stuff. So today I'm going to do a bold eye. Not sure what I'm going to do yet, but we will get to it. They have some new stuff I'm going to use, so I'm going to be doing that. So I already have my base down, my makeup, everything's done. I just don't have my eyebrows, eyes, and lips. So actually I'm going to start with my eyebrows. For brows, I'm going to use the Top Brow Sculpting Brow Pencil. And I'm going to be using shade Chocolate. Here's what the pencil looks like, the tip of it. It's like one of those triangles. Twist it out and it's like a triangle. These are really good for doing like hair-like strokes, like almost like a microblading effect. To use the tip, it's really nice to get in there and just like create little hairs. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Alright, so I just realized this, but the other end has a little wand in it and it's an eyebrow gel. So that is really cool. So actually I'm going to use that after I fill in my brows. So I'm just going to kind of go over my brows just very lightly, fill them in. So that actually was really fast. So I really like this. I like that it's bigger. Like the tip of it is a lot bigger. I feel like it covers more faster. And by the way guys, this video is sponsored by Kiss New York Pro. Just so you guys know. Alright, now that one brow is done, I'm going to go ahead and do the other one off camera and I'll be right back to do the eyes. Eyebrows are done. That was very quick. I really like the eyebrow pencil. I like how it has a spoolie eyebrow gel in one. And yeah, so let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. Alright, so for eyes, the first thing I'm going to do is grab this palette. This is the Goddess palette, and this one is Demeter. And I'm going to grab this shade. I'm going to grab this bone shade right here. I'm going to put this all over my eyelids as a base. It's going to make sure that my base is nice and even, so that there's no creasing or anything. It'll set whatever I put down. So there is foundation and concealer on my eyelids. So let's go ahead and set that with this. First thing I'm going to do is use this Waterproof Wonder. This is in shade Black and it does have like a sparkle glitter inside of it. So I'm going to use this to create kind of like a smudged liner almost like a wing. So I'm going to go ahead and run this along the lash line, and then I'm going to kind of work in sections and blend this out just so it doesn't set, because I want to blend it out before it sets and dries down. So I'm just going to go ahead and go on the eyes. So I'm going to grab a pencil brush and I'm just going to kind of load it up on this pencil a little bit and just kind of smudge the edges of that. I'm going to grab that same palette. I'm going to use this teal shimmery shade right here. I'm going to put that right over the black eyeliner. The black eyeliner is kind of like a base for this so that it's more pigmented, it'll stick and stay longer. So I'm just going to use a small brush and just go right over that black. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same thing. I'm going to kind of do it underneath the lash line. I'm going to connect it with this wing right here. Alright, so the base is pretty much done. That part is. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of crease work. So I'm gonna kind of do a cut crease. I'm going to grab the Waterproof Wonder matte eyeliner in shade Burgundy. I'm going to use this to kind of outline my crease. I'm gonna kind of do like a cut crease, like I said. Now I'm going to grab a brush again and kind of load up my brush with that same color and blend that out just like I did with the eyeliner. I'm just going to blend up from the bottom, make sure that bottom is still sharp. Alright, next I'm going to grab this burgundy shade right here from the Selene palette. I'm going to use a fluffy pointed blending brush. I'm just going to blend out that little crease. Alright, so the crease is down. I'm going to go ahead and use concealer a little bit. I'm just going to clean up the bottom line. Alright, so for the waterline, I'm going to go ahead and use this same eyeliner as I've been using. This one is in shade Navy Blue. Alright, from the Demeter palette, I'm going to go ahead and grab this gold shade right here on a small brush. I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that into my inner corner for an inner corner highlight. Here's the finished eyeshadow. I think this turned out so freaking good. It did take me a little bit longer than usual, but oh my gosh, it looks so good, you guys. I'm very impressed with these eyeshadows. Very happy with the way it looks. So now I'm going to move on to mascara and lashes. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Dead Sexy Lashes. This is Mega Volume. This is in Blackest Black. So here's what the wand looks like. Oh wow. Oh my gosh, my lashes look so long. Do you guys see that? Oh my goodness. Wow, I really like this mascara so far. The eyes are complete. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lips. Alright, for lips, I'm gonna use this lipstick. This is the Color Intense lipstick. And I'm going to use shade 12, which is, I believe it's called Ristretto. Definitely gonna use a nude with this crazy colorful eye. Alright, so here's what it looks like. It's kind of like a triangle shape. Here is the finished look with the lip and the eyes and everything on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed creating this makeup look, this bold, dramatic makeup look using Kiss New York Pro. So yeah, if you guys have any thoughts, comments, leave them down below. If you guys would like to check out Kiss makeup, you guys can go ahead and click the link down below. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Deuces.